Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience, so your mileage may vary. In this video, we're taking a look at Virgin Media's mobile offerings, found at virginmedia.com/mobile. This website serves as a hub for all things mobile from Virgin Media, offering a variety of plans and deals for potential and existing customers. Navigating the site, you'll encounter information on their SIM-only plans, pay monthly phones, and various other mobile services. The website layout appears designed for ease of use, aiming to guide you through the process of selecting a mobile plan that suits your needs. It highlights key features such as data allowances, international roaming options, and any ongoing promotions. Users can compare different plans side by side, making it easier to assess the value and choose the best option for their budget and usage patterns. Virgin Media often emphasizes its network coverage and speed, which are important factors for many mobile users. The site likely includes details on their 5G availability and coverage areas, providing potential customers with crucial information for making informed decisions. In addition to new customer deals, the website likely offers information for existing Virgin Media customers, potentially including options for upgrading their current plans or adding new lines to their accounts. There's probably a dedicated section for support and FAQs, addressing common queries and troubleshooting issues. Exploring the website further, you might find details on device insurance, accessories, and other add-on services that can enhance your mobile experience. They often showcase the latest smartphones available on their network, alongside attractive deals and bundles. It's worth digging into the specifics of each plan, paying attention to any potential hidden costs or limitations, such as fair usage policies or early termination fees. By thoroughly reviewing the information presented on virginmedia.com/mobile, you can gain a clearer understanding of Virgin Media's mobile services and make a well-informed decision about whether their offerings align with your communication needs.